What's going on, guys? My name is Jonas, and in today's video I will be showing you my top 5 winning products for this April. Trust me, they are really good. And all the products that you are about to see in this video, they are already validated winners who generate thousands of dollars every day. After I will show you the product on AliExpress and also on Alibaba to give you a rough estimate how much profit you're gonna make. And also I will provide you guys with 5 Facebook ads targeting recommendation for each product. If that sounds good to you, please smash the like button because I'm just starting out my YouTube channel and this would help me a lot. So let's get started. And the first product are these butt lifting leggings, and I'm sure many of you have already seen them on Instagram or maybe on TikTok because they're currently everywhere. Many females have developed an obsession to have these well-shaped glutes. I would say it has almost become a status symbol for women. And of course, fitness has been a huge trend for years now, but I'm sure you know that. And these leggings will give women the opportunity to show something they are proud of. And in my opinion, there's nothing wrong with that. In my opinion, this product provides a great potential to make a brand out of it because there are many different variations of these type of leggings available, and it's also so easy to upsell because you can just upsell the matching bra to the matching leggings to increase your average order value. And since these leggings are currently all over social media, some people call them even the TikTok leggings, and if you look at the AliExpress orders, you will see that they are selling like crazy. I would recommend that you start right now. Here's a store that's already selling the leggings. It's called Lift Leggings, and I think the store is doing an okay job so far. The pictures are alright, but what I think is pretty good is the ad copy. For instance, butt lifts are a thing of the past. Also, I believe that this sentence of the ad copy is really strong. Hide cellulite and other flaws because women tend to have a little bit more insecurities than men. And if you can hide something like cellulite, I think it's something that a lot of women will appreciate a lot. As you can see right here, the store is selling the product for $29.99. And on AliExpress, you can get these leggings for around $8, which leaves you with a margin of around $22. What I personally think is really promising about this product is the customer feedback, because as you can see, the product has more than 30,000 orders and it has more than 3,400 reviews. And most of them are really positive. There are all kinds of variations, different colors. I think the one which are selling the most are the gray ones because I see them advertised the most. And as you can see here on Alibaba, you get these leggings already for $4, which is really good. Then you can also tell the Alibaba manufacturer to put your own logo on the leggings and ship them to a fulfillment center in the United States to have shorter shipping times and bigger margins. So yeah, really cool and promising product, I think. So let's switch over to product number 2. And this is this Pilates Bar. And here's one store that's already selling this portable yoga bar kit with resistant band. And as you can see, the store who is currently selling this product is just a general store, and they're selling all kinds of different accessories, hats, swimwear. I'm not really a big fan of these general stores because I think it just looks sketchy. When you put products from all kinds of different categories into one store, it looks a bit scammy, to be honest. So yeah, there's definitely a lot of room for improvement. What I personally really like about this product is that you can have an efficient full body workout with this product. It's really small, so you can basically bring it anywhere and work out when you're traveling or when you're on the go. And since summer is just around the corner, this gives you a great opportunity to work outside. And during summer, a lot of people just want to be outside and they don't want to be working out in a gym. And also here in the United States, as well as all over the world, many gyms are still closed. Even though some gyms are still open, such as here in Miami, and I'm super thankful they are open, some people are still too afraid to go to the gym because of the current situation. And as I just said, this provides just a great alternative for everybody who doesn't want to go to the gym or who can't go to the gym. Here on AliExpress, you can get it for around $6 up to $7, which leaves you with a margin of $23. And also this AliExpress manufacturer has a lot of orders, many reviews, 278 reviews, and most of them are positive, so people like this product. And if you see that your dropshipping store is working well, I would recommend to switch over to private label where you have your own inventory as soon as possible. On Alibaba, you get this product for $2.50 up to $5, which will increase your margin even more. Let's move on with product number 3, and this is this baby bear sleeping bag. And from all the websites I will show you today, this is definitely the best looking one. And this little sleeping bag will keep your baby warm and comfortable, but it's not only cute and warm and comfortable, it's also made out of wool and cotton material. which makes it feel like you are literally cuddling a teddy bear. I'm pretty sure that every mom who has a newborn is just obsessed with this product because babies look so cute in it. And to be honest, if I had a baby, I would definitely get him this little baby teddy sleeping bag. Baby Bear is selling the product for $29.99, and on AliExpress you will get this product for $4, $5, $6, something in that range, which leaves you with a margin of around $25. And what's also really cool is that this product comes in different variations. So there's a kid size for 0 up to 3 months, and there's also another one for 3 up to 6 months. Next to the different sizes, there are also like different color variations. And in case you're testing this product successfully, you can go on Alibaba and get this product for around $3. And let's move on with product number 4, and this is actually a product that I haven't seen before, and it's a pet hair remover. For many years now I'm a dog owner, and I can guarantee you dogs just shed like crazy, and you will find dog hair, or if you have a cat, you will find cat hair everywhere in your apartment. And to be honest, I really find it annoying that I have to get the vacuum every time, basically every day, to remove my pet's hair. And this is also the marketing angle that this Shopify page is using. And what's also really cool about this product is that you often find pet hair on your furniture because dogs and cats, they just jump on your couch, and you don't want to use the vacuum on your couch, which is another reason why I find this hair remover tool really convenient. I personally believe that this product page is really nice actually. He has a lot of gifts who basically show you how you can use this product, and he's selling the product for $24.99. So let's see for how much we get it on Alibaba, and on Alibaba we will get it for like $4, $5, $6, something in that range as well, which leaves us with a profit of around $20 before advertising costs. So far this product has 963 reviews, and it almost has a perfect rating, which is just great because it shows you that people love this product. On Alibaba, on the other hand, you will get this product for $2, if not for $1.50, which is absolutely amazing. Alright guys, let's move on with the last product for today. Product number 5, the corner lamp. And I found this product on Instagram because I was targeted for it at least like 5 or 6 times from 2 different brands. And you can put this lamp just in the corner of your living room. It looks so stylish, and you can change its color in so many ways, and this just creates this beautiful ambience. This product is not really a problem and solution product, it's more a trending product that people just want. And also, since people are still spending a lot of time at home, they put a lot of work into their home decor. And I believe that this store that you're seeing right here is doing actually a really good job, and it's not just a one product store, but it's a niche store who's selling a lot of related products. He's selling a smaller variation that you can use as a nightstand, and then he's also selling different wall lamps which basically create the same color effect. But to me it seems like the corner lamp is the main attraction to the store, and he's selling the corner lamp for $192. On AliExpress, this product gets excellent reviews, which is good, so people are loving it. You will get this product for around $100, which leaves you with a huge margin of $90. But guys, it will get even better. If you private label this product with Alibaba, you will get this product for just $20. And guys, I'm pretty sure that the lamp store that I've just showed to you is private labeling this product, so he's probably getting this product for around $20, as you can see here on Alibaba, and he's selling it for $190, which leaves you with a huge margin. I believe that the potential of this last product is huge because you only need to sell a few of those a day to make a lot of money. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and subscribe, and I really hope to see you guys next time.